Hey everybody, Linus here. Today we're diving into solar batteries. Storing solar power can be a game changer. Today, we're breaking down 7 smart tips for buying the perfect solar battery. Let's get you set up to make a smart, informed decision. First, figure out your daily power usage. We're talking kilowatt hours. Consider all your devices, lights, appliances, even your gaming rig. Add up their wattage and usage time. Then find a battery with the right capacity. Batteries are like milk. They lose effectiveness over time. Always check the manufacturing date. Get the freshest battery for better performance. Alright, time for a little tech talk. Ever heard of a C rating? It's how quickly your battery charges and discharges. Higher C rating means handling more power, crucial for power-hungry appliances. Choose the right C rating based on your energy needs. Choosing a battery is like picking a gaming platform. Each has pros and cons. Lithium-ion batteries are lightweight and efficient. They offer high depth of discharge. Lead-acid batteries are reliable. Which one's right for you? For performance and longevity, go with lithium-ion. Batteries aren't the sexiest thing to buy, but don't cheap out. You get what you pay for. Quality batteries last longer and perform better. Let's talk about 2 key terms for battery longevity: depth of discharge, DOD, and cycle life. DOD is how much battery capacity you use before recharging. Cycle life is how many charge cycles before performance degrades. Look for high DOD and long cycle life for quality batteries. Before you hit that buy now button, consider the warranty. A good warranty is a safety net. Look for a solid warranty period, and check for industry certifications. So there you have it, folks. Follow these tips and power your home smarter. Smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time, keep on learning.